Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shalini's Chalk Talk. Today I am going to prepare Kabasura Kudineer decoction or Khada, which acts as an immunity booster. Kabasura Kudineer is a well-known Siddha medicine that consists of 15 herbal ingredients, each of them having unique characteristic features of its own. But this Churnam is extensively aimed for boosting the lungs, improving respiratory mechanism and treating infectious conditions like cough, cold, fever and other respiratory infections. This Churnam became quite well known during the times of flu, owing to its therapeutic and curative qualities. Come, we'll check for the ingredients needed for making this Kabasura Kudineer. For making this Kabasura Kudineer, we need a Kabasura Kudineer Churnam powder and 240 ml of water. We will be getting this Kabasura Kudineer Churnam in any medical shops like Siddha, allopathy or any general medical shop and online as well. Now we'll take a small vessel or kettle like this and place it on the stove and we'll add the 240 ml of water into it. Switch on the flame. In this we are going to add 5 grams of Kabasura Churnam powder, that is 1 teaspoon. Here I am taking 1 teaspoon of Kabasura Kudineer powder. I am adding it in the water. And give a gentle mix. Let it boil on low to medium flame until it gets reduced to 60 ml or 1/4 of initial volume. Medicine is getting boiled. We will wait for some more time. Now our decoction got reduced to 60 ml. Switch off the flame and let it cool for some time. I am going to strain it. Sometimes you can find this fine grains of powder over it, so we can wait till it gets settled down. Kabasura Kudineer decoction is ready. I have taken 5 grams of Kabasura Kudineer Churnam powder and 240 ml of water for making it for one person. If you are making it for 2 persons, you can multiply 2 times of Kabasura Kudineer powder, that is 5 grams into 2 times, and 240 ml of water into 2 times, and it should get reduced to 120 ml. Adults can consume from 30 ml up to 60 ml. For age-wise dosage instructions, you can check in description box. If you have any medical issues, please consult with doctor before consuming it. Friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Shalini's Chalk Talk for more videos. Thank you.